Good morning, friends. We were in the next lesson of 9th standard, that is the Swiss Family Robinson synopsis. And introduction we already covered. Next, we are moving to the next portion of the lesson, which means the scene number 2. In scene number 2, they are moving to the uh, island. Over the next few days, here, the fourth paragraph. Over the next few days, William, the father, attached the floating old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. Here, William the father attached a floatable old keg. Kegs means these things are called kegs. You can see in this picture. These are the things called kegs, and they built a kegs and that created a boat like a boat. They created that boat curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island, and they reached the island successfully. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass, and they cut and spread served their beds. They collected some grass and they made a bed with that grass for sleeping. They came to the grove of trees. One tree grew what looked like gourds on its trunk. So they started to grow up trees on that island, and they saw that one trees look like a gourds. Gourd means a type of tree. A type of tree is that gourd. So they started to grow up that things. The father told Fritz the gourds would make excellent bowls and spoons, that they cut them into various utensils. So that gourd tea, that is very helpful to make different types of bowls and spoons that we are using in the kitchen, that help them in the kitchen for cooking and other activities. So they started to create or make some spoons and bowls with that tree. Okay, after some days, Elizabeth informed William that she wanted the family to move to a safer place. Their current camp was not only exposed but also very dry and hot. And some days later, their mother Elizabeth, she complained that she wanted to move a safer place because that place, because they are living on the ground now, and that region is very hot. That island is very hot, and it is also exposed means anybody can see the people who are living on the tent, and that may be a dangerous thing because these wild animals would be attack them. So therefore they decided to move a safe place to a safe place. And if they built a house up in one of large trees, they would be safe from jackals. Jackals means a wolf, such kind of a wild animal. So if they are creating or making a tent or a house on a tree, that would help them to uh, away from these kind of wild animals. She described a perfect tree for the project, and she already find out that there is a tree was there for the perfect tent, new home. The one whose trunk was, she described a perfect trees of project, one whose trunk was nearly 40 feet in diameter. The branches were very long and extend straight out from the trunk, making them perfect platforms for a structure. Later, when determining the height of the lowest branches, the father taught the boys geometry and how to use triangles measures big objects. He measured diameters, measured defined distance from the trunk, and then calculated the angles using several measured rods, determining the lowest branch was 30 feet off the ground. And they started to calculate the house, which means how they are going to build. William was a very good architect and was also an engineer, so he taught his children how to make home on the tree. And so here he's using different uh, angles like a triangle and so many other things in mathematics to build a good home. The men knotted a rope in a certain intervals. Here intervals means a certain distance. Here intervals means a certain distance, and attached pieces of bamboo in each knot. In a particular interval, they started to tie bamboo pieces with the rope. Thus they created their ladder, further returned to the beach and collected driftwood, thinking it would be perfect to build a sledge on runners rather than wheels later they used to transport materials. So they decided, so they created a ladder there, and then started to create different wheels. Wheels, the vehicle tire we say, tire, not such kind of tires they have to create for carrying things from the beach, which means the seaside, from the seaside to yes, from to their home. Meanwhile, Elizabeth announced that the garden she had been tending was producing healthy plants. Corn, melons, pumpkins, and cucumbers were already growing. The next day, only the father Fritz traveled to the woods, exploring, finding such exotic plants as one with waxy fruit from which candles could be made. So, her mother is also uh, agriculturing so many things, planting so many things there, that's growing different kind of corns, melons, pumpkins, and cucumbers there. And his father decided to go to the woods. Father and Fritz decided to go to the woods. Here wood means uh, jungle or forest. They have to find some things, some exotic or waxy things, waxy fruits that could be made candles. They have to make some candles there. That's all for today. Thank you.